Hello, this is Adam Storch, Chief Solutions Officer here at Micro Strategies, and today I want to give you a quick demo on how you can do a number of tasks in 3 different systems, but from one interface. Now, you're looking, of course, at Panorama right now, and this is a search I've done for projects because I want to add a couple of documents to a project that's just started. I did my search and I'm looking and there is no project folder, so it looks like nobody has set up this particular project. So let's do that. So I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to click on my WatsonX Orchestrate button and say, what do you want to do today? Well, today I want to create a project. So I want to create a project. And of course it says, well, what do you want to call the project? So we'll give it a name, which is Replace Legacy ECM. And it asks me whether my team members are going to be the same as last project. That we don't have to add individually if it's the same team. And it is the same team. So we'll say yes. Now it's going to ask me some key questions. Now, the project name it has. So it's giving me the same name I gave it, which is great. What department are we dealing with? We're dealing with IT in this example. The type of project is a client-based project. So now it's going to ask me, what's the client name? So I'll put in the client name. And of course, it wants the project owner. And the budget. And I'll hit apply. Now it's asking me, hey, this is the folder name I have. It's the project name. Does that work for you? So I'm going to say, yep, that's exactly what I want. And now what it's gone off and done is it has created the Salesforce project. It has created the box folders and it created the Slack channel that we're going to use to have a conversation about this project. So I'm going to hit search on my screen. And now you can see Replace Legacy ECM is now created, the folder and the project and so forth. Here's the metadata that we entered as part of the process. You'll also notice at the bottom, it popped up a few seconds ago, we have the link to the Salesforce item. Let's click on that. So it automatically created the object in Salesforce for the Replace ECM project. I hit Documents. Here's that box folder and of course subsequent subfolders that was created. And of course, let's not forget, bring it over to the other screen. Here is the Replace Legacy ECM Slack channel that's built, and of course with the same team members as the other project. So that's how easy it is that all right from within Panorama, I was able to start my Orchestrate section and be able to create my information box, Salesforce, and Slack, again, all from one interface.